also, did I mention everything showed in this video is under rupees 500 because your girlfriend likes to be budget friendly. Hi everyone, this is your girlfriend Reena and welcome back to our channel. Oh my god, I am doing a sit down video after ages, and obviously I had to pick up a haul video and none other than a Miniso haul video. So you know everything in here is super affordable and super trendy, and honestly I think I got really lucky this time, and you definitely need to get all of these purchases ASAP. So yes, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna start off with not one but two most important things that I really didn't know I needed, but oh my god, they have been a game changer, so much so that I've already started using them, and that is, ta-da! I got these organizers. Now I really didn't know that Miniso does organizers as well, and that came as a surprise to me. And honestly, the way my wardrobe is set up, this comes in so handy. So first up, I like to keep my bras in this particular one. Now obviously these are great for travel, but I also like to keep my everyday undergarments in here. The shape is intact, and so much so that this is also washing machine friendly. So if you have any delicates that you're not sure how the washing machine will take care of, just dump it in here and then put it in the washer. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a very different shape. I want to say weird but also different, and this was literally priced I think around 300 or 260 rupees. I got this from Hyderabad Miniso. If you haven't watched my Hyderabad vlog, then you must, and also I want to take this moment and say thank you so much for your loving it, heartwarming messages and DMs after that vlog. It took a lot of courage, but thank you so much. And yes, next up we have this cylindrical looking organizer. Again, this was also for 250, 300 max, and I like to keep my underwears and everything, that kind of stuff in here. And yeah, I am really enjoying these purchases. They are amazing and you must definitely get it. Alright, now let's get into some beauty things, if I may. First up on the list I have is, ta-da! This is a hand mask from Miniso. It's in the lavender variant. It's supposed to keep this on apparently for 20 minutes and it's going to nourish your hands. And honestly, I'm a dry skin Sahara dessert, and anything in this winter that screams nourishment and moisture, give it all to me. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. I haven't tried it. It's just for 120 rupees. So I thought, you know, why not? However, I did try their feet mask, which was also priced around the same range. It's just like a socks you have to wear on for like 50 minutes, and it definitely left my skin very soft and nourished. But again, just so you know, all of these things are very temporary and you must take your water. Nothing can replace water. But yeah, this is a really good everything kind of routine when you're just relaxing on a Sunday and you just want to do it all at once. So I'm really reserving this for that kind of day. Sticking to the lavender theme, if I may, would you believe me that I am even an influencer or like a YouTuber if I say that I have never tried an under eye mask? I have just never. I am kind of environmental conscious. I'm not saying I'm all green, but yeah, I like to take care of the environment as much as I can, which is why I try to refrain myself from sheet masks, hand masks, feet masks, or even under eye patches. But I kind of went into it this time and got it anyways. So I have this lavender eye mask, and apparently you get a pack of 3, and this was just for ₹50. That is so inexpensive. Again, I personally believe that all of these things are temporary, but they also feel luxurious and a good pick-me-up, yeah. So I thought, why not? And 50 rupees, I mean, that's a steal deal. So I have never tried an under eye mask, let alone this one. So I'm really excited to do it on camera with you guys. So stay tuned. But yeah, alright. Next up on the list I have something that is definitely Reena approved, but also my sibling approved, and something I actually got a recommendation of one of my friend, which I cannot be more grateful for, and that is, ta-da! This is a nose strip, and oh my god, this thing does work. This thing works like a magic. I absolutely enjoyed this. You get a pack of 10 pieces and this is priced at ₹170. It's so amazing. It doesn't tug or pull my skin, but at the same time it does remove all the gunk and dirt. It's very easy to use, and oops, I kind of dropped it, but yeah. Alright, that seems all things beauty. Now let's move on to some fragrances. Now, oh my god, Miniso knows what they are doing when it comes to fragrances and making it affordable even. I mean, how do you do all those things together? I will never know, but I am so glad this season I got my hands on these two amazing body mists that, oh my god, I'm literally drooling over. First one, which is my personal favorite, is ta-da! This is the Sea Mist, and as you can see, I've like already started using it as well, and it is everything that it says. It's aqua, it's salty, it's, oh my god, it's so amazing. And okay, I have used a lot of Miniso perfumes, I mean body mists, but this seems to be the only one that lasts on me longer than any of those. And also a trick that I've been doing with these particular ones is I like to spray them directly onto my skin after moisturizing, so that really helps. But also it really lingers well on clothing, and I'm obsessed with this, guys. I'm obsessed. And the only bummer with Miniso is they keep changing their perfume collection. So once this is gone. Like, you're never gonna get it again.
Which I kind of like, because I don't anyways like to repeat my perfumes. But the FOMO and the thought that I will never smell this again kind of freak me out, and I kind of want to get some backups of this. But also I know I'll get bored of them. So adulting is weird and it's clearly not for me. But yeah.
Next up, however, something that I knew the moment I smelled that everybody in my family is gonna love it. So my mama and my dad, my brother, all of these people love their masculine musk scents, and this, you guys, is exactly that. This is called Nightshade, and it is, oh my god, so good. Okay, nobody's even used this because I'm like, guys, you can't use this until I do my video. And oh wow, this is a dark scent. It's musky, it's amazing, like it's very sexy. Like, I would hang out with a guy that smells like this. It's one of those. Absolutely love this, and it's a perfect nighttime scent. So if it was to me, I would definitely use this as my nighttime perfume or body mist, which I honestly kind of do intend to. And this is like my hands down favorite, so you must check this out. They also had an orange variant which was very citrusy and very fruity, and I honestly wanted to get that too, but the friend that I was with kind of gave me a judgy look, like, really, do you need that many perfumes, body mist? And I was like, maybe not. But I kind of had that on my mind, so maybe next time when I go to Miniso, I'm also gonna get the orange one. Now, since Christmas is around the corner, I kind of laid my eyes on this particular product, and I knew I had to get this. Do I need it? Maybe not. Will I use it? Maybe yes. Will I gift it? Maybe. I don't know, stop asking me so many questions. But what I'm talking to you about is, ta-da! This is a really cute travel kit, and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna put a close up, and apparently you had 50 ml of products, and there are 4 of that. We have a body wash, a body lotion, a shampoo and conditioner, and this is in the cool minty variant. This is such a cute stocking gift or like a gifting option for your friends and family. I absolutely love it, and especially this season, it's like a proper holiday travel season, and I'm sure so many people can find use out of this. This is such a good thing to have on you in case somebody visits you and you don't have something to give them. Like, this is totally something I would give them. So I technically have this for gifting purpose, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna land up using this because cool mint and like sea and aqua is kind of like my vibe. I mean, clearly blue is my vibe. So yeah, I would either use it myself or definitely use this as a gifting option. And with that, we've reached to the last product, and I am personally so grateful, so excited that I got this, because I was going insane without this product, and that is, ta-da! I got me a card holder. Now, you have no idea how desperately I needed one. When it comes to slings, I mean, I like to have my wallet, and if you've seen my what's in my bag videos, which if you haven't, I will leave them in the description and up right here. I tend to use like bigger wallets, and recently I have sized down my wallet. But now that I've sized it down, I've realized that, oh, I have so much space, I should size it down even more. And as a result, I've landed up on this. Now, what I really like, initially I was not sure about this element, and that is that you just get 2 cases, right? And I was like, okay, I have like 4 cards, how can I fit that along with my ID and everything? But turns out these are so flexy and loose that at a time I can fit not 1 but 2 cards, and that is amazing. So I can easily fit my 4 cards with an ID. At the same time, I have this bigger pocket to keep my cash, my coins, and this is so elegant and so amazing. I absolutely love it. And I like how even the branding is so like sleek and not in my face. And the fact that it was priced so inexpensive. I mean, this was just for 260 rupees. I mean, especially this holiday season, we're all going to be using our tiny mini slings that can barely fit a phone, let alone a lipstick, forget about cards and cash. So something like this is going to totally come handy. And I think, yes, with that, it's a wrap for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my social media, the links for which will be in the description. And I will see you very soon. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.